Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can accept Zelle payments with WooCommerce. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Install and activate direct payments for WooCommerce. First, you need to log into your WordPress admin panel. Once you're in, go to the left-hand menu, click on Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, type Direct Payments for WooCommerce by Digiges. When it shows up in the results, click Install, and once that's done, click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Step 2. Access the peer-to-peer settings. After activating the plugin, go to the Plugin's General Settings page. You can find this by navigating to the WooCommerce Settings section. Once you're there, look for a tab labeled Peer-to-Peer and click on it. Step 3. Add a new Zelle account. Inside the Peer-to-Peer tab, you'll see an option to add account. Click on that to start setting up your Zelle details. Step 4. Enter your Zelle account information. Now you'll need to fill in your account details. For P2P platform, type in Zelle. In the account name field, enter the name that's linked to your Zelle account. Then, under ID, type in your Zelle phone number. There's also an optional field called ID type. You can select phone number here if you want. Once everything is filled out, go ahead and click Save Changes to store the information. Step 5. Enable peer-to-peer payments at checkout. Finally, return to the General Settings under the Direct Payments plugin. Look for the option that says Peer-to-Peer Payments and make sure it's enabled. This will activate Zelle as a payment method on your WooCommerce checkout page, so customers can use it to pay you directly.